The Discaya family says they are ready to present 16 additional luxury cars on top of the 12 already under customs inspection. Here's the report.
12 luxury cars covered by a Bureau of Customs search warrant are now parked at the office of St. Gerard Construction in Pasig. The vehicles belong to spouses Curly and Sara Discaya, among the government's biggest contractors for flood control projects. Despite questions surrounding them, their camp insists that the cars are legitimate.
Wala pong in-import ang spouses Discaya rito para maging consignee sila or gumamit sila ng consignee. Lahat po locally purchased po. At lahat po nakarehistro yung 12 luxury cars. Hindi po irirehistro yan ng LTO kung meron pong tax due.
The Bureau of Customs says verifying the vehicles could take at least a week. The family also said they are ready to present 16 more of their luxury vehicles. The Discayas earlier denied Senator Jingoy Estrada's claim that they own as many as 80 vehicles. They explained that some of the cars he referred to may have already been sold but not yet transferred to their new owners. Despite being placed on the Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order, the Discayas remain in the country.
Nandito pa. Masaya nga sila kahapon eh. Sweet-sweet nga nila kahapon eh. Makakaasa po kayo dyan, hindi ho yan tatakbo.
The Discayas also said they are open to a Bureau of Internal Revenue probe.
Ayaw ho kasi namin pumatol sa social media. Ayaw ho namin ng chismis. Gusto namin dokumento. Kasi ang labanan ho dito, dokumento, hindi ho chismis, hindi ho sokmed.
Photos of the couple with politicians are also circulating online, but their camp was quick to issue a clarification.
Hindi naman po ibig sabihin na nagpa-picture ka may connection ka na.
For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.